That's right, Tesla stock is about to enter a bull market again. For the first time since 2021, we see a significant bullish structure, and Tesla is about to trigger that pattern. In terms of the short to medium term, the stock is already breaking its main resistance levels, clearly bullish, while the broad market is also giving us very positive signals. So this is the most important inflection point for Tesla stock, and everything will change after that. So let's take a look in detail at what's happening over here. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. So let's start our analysis looking at the daily chart. Let's look at the daily chart first. Well, daily chart speaking, midterm speaking, we are bullish. Tesla is clearly bullish. Why? Because again, it is doing higher highs, higher lows, and recently this week we did a low around the 177 support area, and right now today we are doing a new high. So this is what Tesla is doing. Tesla is triggering pivot points, right? It is a crystal clear trait of a bull trend. So midterm speaking, Tesla is clearly as water bullish. Today we are breaking the 191, which was a very important resistance level over here. By breaking this resistance level, Tesla is trying to seek the next top level around 207, 208 area over here. That's Tesla's next technical target, midterm speaking. And this is expected, right? Because Tesla just triggered a classic cup and handle chart pattern over here, right? We see the cup, we see the handle. So by triggering this chart pattern over here, Tesla is just trying to seek its next technical target, which is the size, the distance between this bottom to the trigger point of this cup and handle pattern, which is, well, coincidence or not, the 208 area up here. So 208 is Tesla's next technical target, midterm speaking, all right? Very simple. Now, the hourly chart is quite crazy because on the 1 hour chart, we see that Tesla is crazy bullish, right? We have been doing nothing but higher highs, higher lows, way above the 21 MA. Recently, this week, we did a pullback. We lost the 21 MA. However, Tesla, on the 1 hour chart, triggered a crystal clear bullish pivot point, right? It did a higher high, higher low. The previous pivot point was around 186 area over here. By doing a higher high, higher low, Tesla triggered a very important reversal, which we did successfully identify on our newsletter. Therefore, it is very important for you to subscribe to my newsletter to keep in touch with premium analysis, premium insights on Tesla and on other stocks, and of course to get a very special discount on my new Telegram channel, which I'm going to release next week. All right, so take a look at my website. The link is in the description of this video. Now back to Tesla. It is easy to see why Tesla is looking so good right now. All right. However, the situation gets even better because the indices, the broad market is also looking very impressive. The S&P index on the weekly chart is on the verge of triggering this ascending triangle chart pattern. By triggering this insane bullish reversal structure, the S&P is going to truly reverse the bear market from 2022 over here that started in January 2022, and the next technical target of this ascending triangle structure is the distance between this bottom level to the trigger point, which is, coincidence or not, 5,000 points roughly. So this is what the technicals are suggesting to us. By triggering this insanely bullish reversal chart pattern, the S&P is going to truly reverse the bear market. What's more, Nasdaq index is also looking extremely good. We just broke the previous resistance level over here, 13.7K. And right now, what's the next technical resistance level? 15.2K. That's our next target on the Nasdaq index. Of course that we could see a pullback happening over here. However, since the Nasdaq index just broke the 13.7K, this key point is supposed to work as a future support level for the index. This is the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Previous support levels are going to work as future resistance levels and vice versa. And concerning Tesla, this is particularly important because by triggering the insanely bullish reversal structure we see the S&P doing right now, by seeing the Nasdaq going up, breaking its main resistance level at 13.7K, we can imagine that Tesla is on the verge of triggering this bullish flag chart pattern on the weekly chart as well. This is a long-term bullish pattern. And by triggering such pattern, Tesla is going to do, for the first time since 2021, when the bear market started over here, November 2021, it is going to trigger for the first time a bullish structure. It is going to trigger an insanely powerful bullish reversal pattern, and its technical target is the distance. It is the size of the pole, this flag's pole over here, in the direction of the breakout, which, coincidence or not, is the all-time high, around $420. Alright, so this is it. This is Tesla's next technical target, long-term speaking. Oh, and by the way, follow me on Instagram. I did a post about this pattern on my Instagram account. So come on, follow me over there to keep in touch with my daily life here in Brazil, to keep in touch with more content. Just take a look at the Finance Hydra, okay? This is me, Nathan B. Now we see that Tesla is insanely bullish in the 1 hour chart, daily chart. The indices are all looking great. We see an insane bullish flag on the weekly chart on the verge of getting triggered. Is there something else? Yes, there is. There is. On the weekly chart, we see that Tesla is doing this flag, right? Every single flag is at the same time inside a descending channel, okay? Because it is a descending channel which makes the flag of the flag chart pattern. Now, this flag in particular is inside a descending channel chart pattern over here, right? So we see a descending channel. We see lower highs, lower lows. However, the RSI is showing a crystal clear divergence because we don't see lower highs, lower lows on the RSI. We see equivalent highs and equivalent lows, all right? But we don't see a crystal clear descending channel on the RSI indicator. And this is a divergence. It is not a strong divergence. A strong divergence would occur if we actually see an advanced breakout over here, if we actually see higher highs, higher lows on the RSI. However, this is acceptable as a divergence because, well, we see just a channel on the RSI. And what's more, the RSI is not over bullish yet. We are very, very far away from being, technically speaking, over bullish. If considering that the over bullish scenario would occur if the RSI hits the 70, right now we are at 53, so that's okay. Tesla still has plenty of upside potential, short, mid, and long-term speaking. So everything looks insanely good right now. The indices are all speaking the same language. We see even the Dow Jones index, which is the most boring index so far, it just hit its technical support, 32.5K, and right now it is bouncing. The 32.5K was the trigger point of our previous cup and handle chart pattern over here, right? Which we also successfully identified in this channel. So it is a very, very technical movement. It feels like the Dow Jones found its bottom. It feels like the Nasdaq is just incredibly bullish, trying to seek the next resistance level. It feels like the S&P is on the verge of reversing and Tesla is on the verge of triggering its bullish flag chart pattern. Now, what could possibly go wrong over here? What if Tesla corrects? Because it could correct, right? Well, if Tesla starts correcting, what are the next support levels for it? Well, since we just broke the 191, the 191 is our next support level, short-term speaking. as crazy as this sounds, our previous top level is now our support level. In the worst case scenario, I see Tesla retesting the 177 again, and this is it. Even if it drops all the way down to 177, it is not gonna reverse the trend because we don't see bearish reversal structures on Tesla yet. We just see higher highs, higher lows. If Tesla actually performs a crystal clear bearish structure like, I don't know, a double top, right? Or lower highs, lower lows, then okay, Tesla is going to reverse the trend, midterm speaking. Maybe it is not going to escape from this descending channel, from this flag chart pattern in the weekly chart yet, but eventually, this is my humble opinion. Okay, so this is, in my humble opinion, okay, this is just my humble opinion. Eventually, we are going to break this bullish flag chart pattern upwards. This is how I see the situation. Tesla is going to follow Nvidia's example over here, and it will truly fly again. It is just a matter of time, in my humble opinion, of course. And of course that I will keep you guys updated every single day on Tesla stock. So if you are still watching this random Brazilian guy talking about Tesla for more than 10 minutes right now, it is about time for you to subscribe this channel because you probably like it, the content, and there's more to come. Every single day I will be here to keep you guys updated. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Have a lovely holiday and a great weekend. Stay safe. Farewell.